That growl in your belly isn't hunger itself, it's motion. Between meals, your digestive system runs a cleanup cycle called the migrating motor complex. Every 90 minutes or so, waves of muscle contractions sweep through the stomach and intestines like a slow tide, pushing leftover food and bacteria down the line. When the stomach is empty, those contractions echo through hollow space, vibrating air and liquid. The sound we hear is a growl. It's your gut's housekeeping mode, not a signal to eat. Once you take a few bites, the cycle pauses, waiting for the next fast. Think of it as your body's dishwasher between courses, noisy, useful, and proof that the system's working exactly as it should.